is definitely the intro. Something, go, ting, 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 ting.
Hey, birthday girl.
Young Money.
No. Not the power going out.
Yeah. Ride with the mob, Alhamdulillah. Check in with me and do your job. Herb is the name, Ben Baller did the chain. Torn on for the watch, Prezi plain Jane. Yamagini chain, rest in peace to my superior. Hermes nigga feed a village in Liberia. TMZ taking pictures causing my hysteria. Mama see me all big, kids start tearing up. I'ma start killing niggas, how you get that track? I attended holla picnics with you. Risk your life. Uncle used to skim perks, selling nicks at night. I was only 8 years old, watching Nick at night. Uncle Psycho was in that bathroom bucket. Life to his gut.
Hey, birthday girl. How you feeling?
I'm feeling good. I'm feeling great, child.
What are your wishes for yourself this year?
A lot, eh?
I mean, this is chapter 20.
Literally a lot. I'm not even gonna put it out there, but just know a lot. Yeah. Wishing for a lot.
And just put God in everything you do.
Period.
I can't wait to see you do the post.
I will do the post.
Also, guys, don't judge right now. 7 o'clock.
Yeah.
It's a different person.
Come 7 o'clock, it's a new hand.
It's a different person.
Come 7 o'clock, it's a new hand.
Like, what do you mean?
We are on our way to the Airbnb. So yeah, we are about to check in, and of course I'm going to show you guys our place. I'm sure it's really cute. I hope it's really cute because from the pictures it looked nice.
Yeah.
So I'm hoping that it is nice. So obviously we're going to give you guys an apartment tour. We're going to get ready for the dinner. We're going to have dinner. We're just literally just going to have a good weekend. So
fun way.
Yeah,
guys, know like we are about to City Girl. I'm so excited.
City girls are up.
Hey, sweetie.
Hey.
Are they calling you?
I'm excited.
Dude,
child.
since me answering the call like they called me.
Dude, like they didn't call Kanye.
Where are you?
I just wanted to ask you guys, like, I'm trying to talk to Tanya and Andrew right now.
Imagine.
Oh, so you like this?
Yo, Kanye. Just hand.
But anyway, Tanya, are you guys there?
We are 7 minutes from there. We're gonna get there literally at 3:30 because they also said we can only check in from 3:30.
Okay, cool. Well, I'll see you guys just now. I'm just picking something up and then I'm gonna be on my way to you guys.
Okay, where are you now? Are you in Santon still?
Yeah, I'm on Polly and Nickel. Okay,
So we'll see you
guys
then.
now.
Alright, bye.
Eat a Barbie ass or something.
Before you put down, you're gonna have to give it out like 2 minutes.
Why? Oh,
Apartment tour.
Hey, one thing about you.
This life is not easy, but someone has to do it.
Yeah,
And unfortunately, I'm God's chosen one. Just put it under here. So
just
not
put it
under
outside
here.
there. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, please do make sure to hit the subscribe button before you leave. And if you are a returning subscriber, what's good? What's up? Welcome back, and thank you so much for joining me once again. So as you guys can see, this is the birthday weekend extravaganza. We are about to have the time of our lives. I'm celebrating my birthday this weekend with my friends. It's a girls weekend, it's a girls time. We're really about to have a great time. So tonight is my dinner. We need to start getting ready for the dinner ASAP, but before that I'm just going to show you guys our apartment tour and give you guys a tour of our beautiful Hyde Park Santon apartment, darling. So follow me. So when you walk into the place, you have the kitchen. And then of course we have sinks, microwave, and then it has a gas stove as you can see. Then we have this lovely dining room table. Please look at the chairs, guys. It is giving luxury, giving what it's supposed to give. Then we have a big mirror over here. we have the lounge, which is really, really spacious. There's a TV, obviously, couch, everything looking cute. And then let me take you guys to the first bedroom, which is the master bedroom. This bedroom is so spacious, guys, and honestly the decor is giving. It's giving luxury, it's giving rich girl, it's giving rich black girl, you know. Love to see it. So this is the bed, this huge bed, and then there's another mirror over here, and then we have lots of cupboard space in here, and there's another cupboard over there as well. And then we have this lovely huge bathroom, literally huge. There's a bathtub. It's the marble for me, the marble and black, top tier combo. And then we have 2 sinks. We have these 2 beautiful circle mirrors, and we have a shower. And please look at how stunning the shower is, guys. Like, yo, it's the black touches for me. And then let me take you guys to the next. I know I'm training. So then this is the second part of the apartment. So the way this Airbnb is set up is that there are technically 2 apartments, but they are interlinking, so you can get through like both of them. So if you book the 2 bedroom, you'll get access to both sides, but you can book this on its own, or you can book the other side on its own as a 1 bedroom, or this one like as a studio. So this is the bedroom for the second part of the apartment. There's the bed, the TV, everything. There's the kitchenette over here, which is also really cute. You can make your coffee and tea, whatever you're trying to cook up and all of that. And then we have the second bathroom over here, which also has a shower, but it doesn't have a bathtub, and this gorgeous circle mirror. Honestly, love the decor. Chef's kiss, guys. It's giving marble, it's giving black, it's just giving. But yeah, guys, this is where we're going to be staying for the weekend. This is where we're going to be getting ready. This is where we're going to be having fun. Like, it's literally about to go up, and I think this Airbnb is absolutely stunning. So yeah, let's get ready for the dinner, and then I will see you guys at dinner.
A few moments later.
Guys!
No.
Not the power going out.
Walk in. Dude, I need to do my face. Like, I see everything out.
I see guys, where we're gonna do our faces?
Yeah, I'll do it.
Guys!
You don't know.
But you know, God is so good. At least the power went out after I did the apartment tour.
Yeah.
Imagine it went out now and it was gonna be messy. Like, guys, I can't believe the situation right now. It's the electricity going out.
It's the load shedding for me. I'll send you a live location quickly.
Guys, I'm here with the flashlight. We haven't even.
It's shedding because the lights went out.
Guys, we need to get ready for my dinner. And the lights just went out. What is this?
Charged our phones.
What is this? What is this? The devil's working overtime. He's working overtime. We just arrived, guys. I hate this for me. And you know, your Airbnb, it was no hot water. Now they're saying no electricity.
Even this weather already, it was starting to why.
But at least I did the apartment tour, guys. Yo, let me call the.
We're gonna share a fresh face.
Yo, let me. No, there's no fresh face. I'm sorry. I'm going to message the host and see what's up, because
what if the host is not generating?
Now we're gonna have to find a place to get ready, because what are we gonna
get ready at the restaurant?
Because where's this place is dark, there's no natural light.
Yeah, this place is extremely dark. Like extreme.
No, we have to.
Yo, okay guys, we need to sort out the situation because time is of the essence and places need to be
What? My heart is even beating fast. Yeah.
Guys, I forgot.
But it looks like it might be.
Little balcony outside as well, which I haven't seen prior.
Wait, how do you add another area?
Really?
I'm defeated. Like, I actually want to cry, but
Guys,
I'm not gonna.
I'm actually defeated.
But still, it shouldn't be. It shouldn't be load shedding.
I'm actually defeated and I want to cry.
Guys, no.
What must happen? There's not even natural light to do our makeup unless we must do our makeup outside, okay? Unless we must sit outside here in the rain and do our makeup. I literally can't believe this. Like,
This time will come out, eh?
Whoa.
Because every time you're in my vlog, hey, she said now.
I just want to update the vlog. Okay, guys, yo,
Just because
it's so dark. All right, guys, so we're off to my friend Kiara's house to get ready because obviously, as you saw, it's pitch black, it's darkness. There's nothing happening there. There's no way we can get ready. So we're on our way to her place to get ready. Thank God for her because she literally saved us. So we're gonna go get ready at her place. We're gonna go get dressed at the Airbnb, and then we're gonna go to dinner. So yeah, just wanted to update you guys. Let me not stop my passengers from listening to music because copyright child. So yeah, I'll see you guys at the dinner. You guys can play the music. Thank you.
Yes, it's turned up.
Guys, please, this life is not easy, hey? So
for the supper.
I need to do my makeup quick, but I just wanted to let you guys know that obviously we've arrived at my friend's place. We're gonna do our faces real quick. Yo, today wants to be a disaster so badly. Like, it wants to be a disaster so badly, but it won't prosper. No weapon formed against me shall prosper. Like, the weapons can form, but they won't prosper. Amen. So I'm gonna beat my face. I'm gonna look good. I'm gonna have a good time. Purred. I don't care about this rain.
You added again.
I don't care about this rain, guys. I don't care about this storm, this weather. My balloons now. I need to go rush and find balloons. Hey, yeah, guys, I need to go rush and find balloons. My cake might not turn out the way that I wanted it to turn out because the lady, guys, I need to go and get balloons. My aunt wasn't able to get the balloons for me because now it's raining in Johannesburg. It wants to flood today of all days. My other friends almost had a flat tire, please, because they hit a pothole. My other friend can't find her extensions. She needs to go back to the Airbnb to go look for them. Like, yo, this day wants to be a disaster so bad, but like, I refuse. I literally refuse. Let me do my face. Let me look cute. Let me have a good night. Purr.
No, because the thing is, the fan temperature is like literally so perfect to dry the glue.
Guys, please look at what being a city girl is.
Guys, I'm drying the glue. Cut me some slack.
This one wants to be Beyonce.
Because then those glues on also, like, that's the thing.
Guys, I just want you to look at my face. Like, just really look at it. Like, just take a moment, and just look at it.
Look at us.
Yo. Thanks to my bestie.
You're welcome.
Look at this birthday beat, child. Like, where have you ever? Where have you ever? It is giving. The girlies are ready.
We are ready.
Not there being load shedding here as well, guys. Yo,
but it's,
like,
luckily it wasn't at the same time though.
Yeah, but luckily we managed to actually finish our makeup, so we need to go back to the Airbnb now to get dressed and get ready for dinner. That time it's like 6:18, and I said my dinner is 6:30 for 7, and at this rate it really doesn't even seem like it because I still need to get balloons, I still need to get dressed and then head to the Airbnb. I think it's the load shedding, the rain, everything is just making everything slow, but regardless, we're still gonna have a good time. Purred. I mean, look how good we look. I'm sorry. And this isn't even the final result. Like, it actually isn't even the final result. But anyways, yeah, we'll see you guys. Imagine. Hey, girl. Where have you ever? When have you ever? I'm literally obsessed with my face. Like, what the hell? My bestie really said Fenty Beauty for the girl. Look at this lip combo. Ah, obsessed.
Let me put lights in for you, mate, so they can see. There.
Please. Like, please. Please, look at us. I just can't believe we're this beautiful.
I can't believe it.
I actually can't
Mate,
believe
and they're not taking us serious, eh?
Hey guys, so we just arrived back at the Airbnb. Our faces are beepy, looking cute. We obviously need to change into our outfits now. I need to go fetch my balloons and I need to get to my dinner. And where's my phone? I don't even know what time it is. What time is it, mate?
I don't even want to look.
I also
20 to 7.
It's literally 20 to 7 and my dinner starts at 7 and I'm stressed, but hopefully other people are also running late because this load shedding, this weather, everything is just a mess. So yeah, I'm gonna dress up quickly, go get my balloons and go straight to my dinner, and then I will see you guys at my dinner. But yeah, the girlies are looking cute. I'll show you guys the final looks as well once we're done.
You look like the baddest bitch.
Alrighty guys, so we are done getting ready. The girls. The girls. There you are. The girls. Material
to the girls, but it's just her.
Yeah. Okay, the girls. Okay, but the girls don't want to be seen.
Okay, wait. The girls want to be seen.
Wait. Material girls.
It's Chloe from
Wait.
Yeah.
Material girls. And that's on brown. Thanks. Material girls. The brown.
And the brown.
This theme is making sense. Alrighty guys, let us head to my dinner. It's me being late for me, but also it's fashionably late, please. I should be allowed. It's me being fashionably late for me, but I mean, rightfully so. This one.
Yeah. Nikita.
No, now you're writing narratives about me. No.
Yeah, that's true.
No, it is the truth, but no, I don't want to discuss my personal affairs.
To celebrate her birthday with her. So first things first, parents, thank you so much for giving us the opportunity to actually be with her and celebrate her birthday with her. Like, we're really grateful and appreciate it so much. Before we actually go further into things, I don't know if you guys would mind starting with prayer.
Okay. Thank you so much, ladies, for coming through. You all look so beautiful. And just to say thank you so much, we really appreciate you guys taking time out of your busy schedules to come and celebrate. We all want to celebrate you. We wish you well in everything that you do. Like Kanye said, always put God first in everything that you do, and you will not go wrong. Thank you so much, and thanks to your mom and dads everywhere for allowing you to come out this late.
She's a grown woman.
Are they grown women?
Maybe you must get to know their parents.
Guys, for coming here to support your friend, your cousin for some, your sister. She's out of school and done very well according to our standards. Very well. I'm proud of you, my daughter. So I'm just disappointed there are no boys. Don't you guys know boys? We want to see the kind of boys you hang out with. Hang on. I want to know. I want to see. What's going on? Been a very, I don't want to say good because good is not a very good adjective. It's just normal. This is good, that's good. I think you've been amazing. I need to consult my dictionary to come up with the words to describe how you've been. We are proud. We are here to support you. I want to wish you many more. And yeah, buy me that Ferrari that let's have fun.
It's the brown one finally gonna be on the channel. You know, it's the brown it's the brown on brown skin for me. Yes, sis. What is it? Please. 3. This is my OOTD. Of course. We are giving H&M. She is on the jacket. Superfluous on the shoes. Shein on the shade. This is the most chaotic OOTD. It's the most chaotic one. Details, baby. Details. Body from God. Your body from God. Okay.
Happy birthday, best friend.
Period. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tanya.
Happy birthday, Tanya. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Natalie. Including myself. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Because we're on the road to 10K. One thing about these two, they're always together. And they will always be there. Because wow, how cute are they?
We have separation anxiety.
So cute.
5 years apart. After 5 years apart, please.
It is so cute.
Yes, I just want a picture with everyone.
Whoa. And she's Bensham.
Okay, I'll take for 10 seconds.
Okay, 3 then.
Yeah.
Alright. Okay,
So
can I get flash, please?
Sorry, some of us are not on the...
Okay, is that ready?
I don't know about French. Take that thing all the time. No way. That's how people are hungry. We are hungry.
Sorry. Okay.
The shapewear can only do so much.
Is everyone ready? Is everyone there? Everyone ready?
Fit. So where the glasses from?
Glasses are from Shein.
Okay, where's the jacket from?
Jackets from Shein.
And the dress.
Dresses from H&M.
Okay, and then she was shoes. Love it. And she's turning 20. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling 22.
I'm Miss Party 2.0, basically. I'm
You don't even like this kind of way.
I don't like her or whatever.
Apparently she's the best friend.
She's just here
Don't know
for
about that.
Let's see what my
This is definitely the intro. Ting ting, go ting ting, ting ting, go ting ting, ting.
I'm just trying to not include this one.
Oh, okay.
Tap 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 in, wrist on, waist on. I'm gonna show you how they bigger.
Hey, I'll show you.
Hey.
Oh, they're cute. Exactly, sweetie.
I even know it's okay, let me take jacket.
We weren't allowed to buy any jerseys from H&M.
Please push it
Just
there.
to let you guys know, she was very strict on that. She said, ain't no one gonna look like me. Her. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tanya.
Natalie.
Happy birthday. When last did I hear that girl? Happy birthday. Speech. Alright. Everybody. No, I'm not gonna cry.
Okay.
I'd like to say a few words. Okay. So first of all, thank you guys so much for coming to celebrate with me today. I really do appreciate it. You know, as my mom said, with everything going left, the weather, the rain, the everything, you know, that you still found time out of your busy schedules and made a way to come and celebrate with me, whether it was convenient or inconvenient, you know. But yeah, I really do appreciate each and every single one of you being here for me today. It really does mean a lot to me. And yeah, also thank you for all of your kind words. I really do appreciate hearing that. You know, it's so nice to know how people, you know, perceive you or what they think of you, because you know, you don't hear it often. So I just like to say thank you guys. Thank you guys for your support, for your love, for everything. By virtue of the fact that you're sitting at this table, you know, you definitely do mean a lot to me. And yeah, thank you guys. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you.
We wish you many more.
Kanye said only 22 years, so thank you. So how do I cut this thing? Woo, happy! Who's having cake?
These are yours. I didn't forget to tell you.
Thank you. LV per mama. Per. We manifesting. I'm getting that back this year. Remember I said that.
Ready the out for breakfast.
I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm dirty.
Good morning, guys.
If you guys knew like how good this morning is.
Good morning. It's a good morning.
You actually shamed it.
It's a good. You had to be there.
Sorry.
You had to be there. Forget about it. Yo, guys. So today is Saturday morning. The girlies are out for not breakfast actually. We're out for lunch essentially. We first went to Hyde Park because we wanted to go to Olives and Place, but it was packed. So we came to Sandton to find another restaurant, and Second Story was packed. So Doppio was like the only one where we could get a table now because we're literally hungry. Like we are dying. We are literally about to have breakfast. And yeah, good morning. Welcome to day 2 of my birthday vlog.
I gotta put me first, Lucius. I gotta put me first.
You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make it.
I gotta put myself first.
You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Those on this side, those over on this side.
Hey guys, so the girlies are done with lunch. The girlies are done with their brunch/lunch. So now we're just heading back to the Airbnb to just chill and have a good time. That's why we just got like some juices and stuff like that from Woolworths, and we're just gonna go to the Airbnb and chill and have a good time. So yeah, those are the vibes for today. Chilled Saturday vibes, and then tomorrow is a spa day, which I'm so keen for. And yeah, I will see you guys when I see you guys.
Back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new paddock, I had to watch so I two-toned them. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning.
10 minutes finished.
Just at least so you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that fire when I'm performing. The back end just came in and out honest. Vibes galore cute, they all on us. I'm from Atlanta where young niggas run shit. I know they hating on me, but I don't read comments. Whenever I tell her to come, she coming. Whenever it's smoke, we ain't running. Too hard, don't stay too close. You gon' fuck around the town. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe.
Title, you had to be there. If you went
Know the whole story.
I shame.
If you weren't there, forget about it.
Another movie get made. Too hard, don't stay too close. You gon' fuck around the town. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Soon as I get back, shit and shit. This all the time.
Like a child, I got boodles in the face. I'm dancing in the dollar. This is a parade. I don't want your chain, I'm going and out of shade. I had that draw that too many bitches getting saved. Yes, I bring me, so I took the private plane.
1, 2, 1, 2.
Guys, let me tell you. Oh, you want to show a baby?
I don't. By that time, you still look good.
Yeah, also.
Yeah, but it doesn't
I think
have
the skin. I want to lick it. This is my real face, so.
This is my real face, so.
Not the wig, without a wig or shame. It's like this cling is different. It's not a champagne.
Aibo. The end of an amazing weekend. A handful of rain. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me know.
might switch hiking wherever I go. I can fly home with my eyes closed, but it get kinda hard to see. It's no surprise
that massage, right? Yes, for 45 minutes. Okay, anything that you'd like me to focus on today? No. You just want the show. Are you? I like a medium pressure.
Alrighty guys, so I just finished my spa treatment. It was a back, neck and shoulder massage, and she also massaged my head, and I feel so good, I feel so calm, I feel so at peace. So I'm just going to do the tour of Life Day Spa Rosebank now, because I was running a bit late, so they managed to move my treatment down so that I do the treatment first, and then they'll show me the other facilities, and then I'll see what I decide to use. But yeah, the session is done. You've come to the end of your treatment are the saddest words you can hear. But yeah, I honestly feel amazing.
Something about the way that you talk to me, even when you're not around, I feel you, boy. I feel you, boy. Take with your love and your energy. That's always the way that you smile. I see you, boy. Oh, I need you, boy. I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you. To find someone like you. Yeah, yeah, 'cause I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you. To find someone like you. Baby, I want this to last forever. Oh yeah, baby, I want this. Can we make this last forever? Oh yes.
This is amazing. Hey guys, so I am done with the heated pool hydrotherapy. That felt so good, so peaceful, so relaxing. So now I'm gonna try the Himalayan salt cream. Apparently it's good to like open up your lungs and like just help you breathe clear and all of that. You don't physically feel anything, but apparently like it's really good for you and it's peaceful. So I'm about to try it. Well, I'm just sitting there. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Then I'm gonna get the complimentary tea/coffee, and then I think I will be done with my spa day. But look, so far so relaxing. I honestly need to do more solo dates and more things like just by myself, you know, just spend time with myself as well, get to know myself. Guys, so I am essentially done with everything, with my treatment. I feel so relaxed and so at peace, and I just feel heavy, man. I honestly feel happy. You guys are probably can't hear me, but yeah, I'm just going to have the complimentary tea, and then I am going to head out. I need Alrighty guys, so I am officially done with my spa day, and I feel amazing. Like I literally feel so amazing. I woke up this morning feeling so grateful, feeling so blessed. Like this weekend was so amazing, and I just felt so like overwhelmed with gratitude that I just get to experience things like this. Like I just feel so happy, guys, so blessed, and just like I'm genuinely happy. So I'm done with the spa day. It was absolutely amazing. I did the back, neck and shoulder massage. I needed that. The heated pool was so relaxing. The Himalayan salt whatever it was called, I actually did do something for my lungs and that congestion. Like you can actually feel it, like doing what it needs to do. But shout out to my mom for the gift. Like it was really amazing, guys. I needed a spa day. Like I literally needed one, and I'm actually glad that I went alone. Like it was actually quite nice to just be alone, like alone but not lonely. And it just made me feel like I definitely want to do a lot more solo dates, because I actually really enjoyed this. I really enjoyed this. And I'm just going to look for some food now, because your girl is hungry, child. So that might just be another solo date. But my birthday weekend is coming to a close, and I think this was the most perfect way to end it off. Like I feel so amazing, like so amazing. I was really trying to be in between creating content and just living in the moment and having a good time. So that's why this vlog isn't as curated or as like put together as other vlogs, but I still wanted to record this weekend also just for the memories for myself. So even if it's not a perfect piece of content, but I'm just I'm just happy, so I can always come back and watch this weekend again. But I literally had an amazing time. Hey guys, so we have officially reached the end of my birthday weekend vlog. After my little food solo date, I just went to Mug and Bean in Rosebank because that was the closest one to the spa. I practically spent like half the day at the spa, honestly. So I didn't have breakfast or anything, so I was really hungry. So I just needed to get some food, so I decided to just sit and eat as opposed to like getting a takeaway and stuff, just to have that little bit more of a solo date experience. Also because at Life Day Spa you kind of need to not book for your food in advance, but let them know that you want lunch, because it takes like 30 to 45 minutes, and I couldn't wait 30 to 45 minutes, child. I was gonna die. So I just decided to have lunch at the closest place. So the weekend is essentially over. I'm just gonna go to my bestie's house so that I can hang out with the rest of the girls for the rest of the afternoon. So we're literally just gonna be chilling, reminiscing, and having a good time. So I don't really feel the need like to record that. So that's it, guys. That's it for my birthday weekend vlog. I know for a fact that this video is so chaotic. Like I just know, and I just have a feeling that this video is all over the place. But regardless, I'm just really happy to have these memories, and I had the most amazing weekend of my life. Like I'm genuinely so grateful. Like even though things were going left, even though things were going wrong, and there were points in time where I got really frustrated and really stressed and really just like, why is everything going left? But I love the fact that we didn't allow those things to kind of dampen the rest of the weekend or the weather or the rain or anything. Like guys, I'm just happy, man. Like I am happy. Like I'm so happy. This weekend I felt so aligned to the best version of me. Like when I envision the woman I'm becoming, not even I want to become, the woman I am becoming, I feel like I was just so much like, I just feel like I was so aligned with that woman this weekend. Like this weekend I was her, like I was that girl, and it's been an amazing feeling, and I hope I can carry this with me for the rest of the year. And I hope that this is kind of like what 2022 is gonna look like for me. Like, I hope 2022 is full of joy, happiness, freedom, peace, love, like friends, family, like just everything that just is positive and everything that's just good. Like, that's what I'm speaking into existence for this year. But yeah, anyways, let me not keep my girls waiting because I know they miss me. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this vlog, especially if you got to the end. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Keep the conversation going. Please do make sure to hit the subscribe button as well before you leave. We are on the road to 10,000 subscribers, child, not 10k. Better subscribe, help your girl get there. Please do subscribe and share this video with anyone else you think would enjoy it, so that we can grow the family and just keep growing the family. But yeah, let me know your favorite part of the vlog in the comments. Just let me know anything in the comments, really. Thank you guys once again for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.